Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to uninstall Snapchat from our Android device. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone screen. Now over here I want to uninstall this Snapchat. Now for that, just tap on this Snapchat for a while. And over here you can see here's app info. Just tap on this. And now over here you can see here is uninstall. Now to uninstall this, just tap on uninstall, and over here just tap on this OK. Now you can see Snapchat is being uninstalled on my phone. And that's it. You can see this app is completely uninstalled on our phone. So in this way we can uninstall Snapchat on our device. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.